Y'all know y'all out there spending them stimulus checks when you supposed to be eating off of that. Oh, this X5, ooh, came out so nice. That gold green metallic flake, that's called new money right there. But what did I do to it? Ceramic Pro, baby. Ceramic Pro does not fail. What is Ceramic Pro? Well, I'll tell you, it's not no watered down Taiwanese BS snake oil. I'll also tell you it's not no 55-gallon drum of no paint body shop where they have exposed it to air and it dissipates over time. I'll also tell you it will last past 4 years because guess what? It's proven. My clients have had it for 4 years and they love it. It's been performing, it's been doing its job. It's got a real warranty. It's also registered on Carfax. What else is registered on Carfax? Not anything else. If they say they are, tell them to prove it to you. Come to the best, settle for the rest. 6 awards, going on 7. No one is better than I am. Let's just say it now. No one is better than I am. No one has any awards. I am the best. Ceramic Pro is the best. And let's leave it at that. Who's next?